Do you want to automatically promote every new YouTube video you publish with a smart, engaging tweet and a matching image? In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to build an AI-powered N8N workflow that does exactly that. And the best part? I'm sharing the entire template for free on samautomation.work, where automation meets content creation. Here's what the workflow will do. It will check your YouTube channel every 2 hours. When we activate the schedule trigger node, when a new video is found, it will generate a tweet using GPT 4.1, the new model. Then it will rewrite it to fit X character limits of 220 characters. Then it will make an image prompt. It will generate the image and the visuals using Fal.ai, and in this case, the Flux Pro Ultra model. Then it will post the image and the tweet automatically to your X profile. And eventually it will log everything into your Google Sheet, where you can see that the post is posted, and you can go to the URL and see the tweet. Before you can post to X, you will need to set up your credentials. Here's how you can set up your credentials, and does have very good docs, but in this little video I will show you how to do it. Eventually you will have set up a Twitter developer account. Then you can generate a new app or just use the default project. You will need to set up the user authentication settings, read and write, and save it. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. Let's go back to the flow. You will have to copy the URL and paste it into the developer tool. I found this guide from this dude on the forum. When you are going to upload media to your API, you will have to add this to your URL when the pop-up shows up, and then you can upload files to your Twitter API account and grab the media ID. Let's break down the keynotes in this workflow. When you import the workflow with NH in your local NHN, you can press this new button, Setup Template, and you can check if all the nodes you want to use have the correct credentials. If some of the credentials are missing, you can add them easily in this new interface. Let's dive into some of the crucial nodes. Currently this is disabled. We will enable it. So every 2 hours, this scheduled trigger will check if there is a new YouTube video. So you can connect it like this. When you have connected the scheduled trigger, you have to activate the template, and then it will run every 2 hours. You can change the scheduled trigger to run for every 12 hours or every day. When there is a new video, it will be pulled from your YouTube channel. You have to connect your YouTube channel with the credentials, and the limit will be 2 new videos for each session. So eventually, when the video is pulled, we will grab the first ID. Then we will check if the video that's pulled isn't already Then we will check if there aren't any duplicates in the video. Eventually, when that turns false, the workflow will continue. We are using a message model, OpenRouter. We're using OpenRouter to connect with the API, so we can change. If you don't like the new OpenAI GPT 4.0, you can search for a new model and select it like this. This is the whole prompt we're using to generate X post for your video. When that's done, we will verify the character limit, and if the characters are above 280, we have a new agent over here that will rewrite the post to fit the limit of the characters. Then we are going to add the new generated tweet to the Google Sheet. And we are going to generate an image for this tweet. This prompt, you can optimize it further if you don't like the output. But for now, it's the output is pretty good, I think, for the kind of content we are generating. Let's look at an example image. Before we look at the example, you can change the model over here if you don't like the new OpenAI. And we will have a structured output parser to have the output always in this format. Then we will grab the URL of the newly generated image. This is the new image we have just created. And we are going to, we can preview the image over here. And then we will have an HTTP request to upload the image to our to the Twitter API. This is a step that it's currently not supported to the from the standard from the API. So we will have this HTTP request node to generate a media ID. So when the media ID is generated, we can add it to our post to generate the tweet. And when everything has run, we can add it to the Google Sheet. You will be able to generate from this image a video if you like. Contact us if you want those nodes to generate the video from the image. For example, with the new Kling 2.0 image to video generation, you can even improve the quality of your tweets. There are some optional functions, so you can send the generated post to your Discord or to your Slack channel or to Gmail. You have to connect all these channels with your credentials, but you can do it with the new setup template. If you want this full workflow as a ready-to-use template, head to Samautomation.work. You can download the AutoX promotion workflow for free. And there's something extra. If you sign up for a pro plan, you will get 100 videos renders every month, access to our JSON to video API, unlimited use of the template, and now a free premium video template as a welcome gift. Pro plan plus free template is powerful automation for your content creation.